Introduction. Welcome to our instructional video on solving algebraic equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 7 times x plus 4 equals 25. We will be going through step by step to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. So let's get started with our problem-solving process. To solve the problem 7x plus 4 equals 25, we need to isolate the variable x to find its value. In step 1, we want to start by eliminating the number that is added to 7x, which is 4. So we perform the arithmetic step of subtracting 4 from both sides of the equation. To do this, we write the original equation again, 7x plus 4 equals 25. Next, we subtract 4 from the left side of the equation. This changes the left side to 7x plus 4 minus 4. Since plus 4 and minus 4 cancel each other out, the left side simplifies to just 7x. Now we must also subtract 4 from the right side of the equation to keep it balanced. So 25 minus 4 equals 21. By performing this subtraction, the equation is simplified to 7x equals 21. In summary, in step 1, we subtracted 4 from both sides of the equation, altering it from 7x plus 4 equals 25 to 7x equals 21. This helps us get closer to solving for x by isolating the term with the variable on one side. In step 2, we need to isolate the variable x by getting rid of the coefficient, which is the number 7 that is multiplied by x. This means we need to perform the arithmetic step of dividing both sides of the equation by 7. To do this, we start with the simplified equation from step 1, which is 7x equals 21. Now we will divide both sides of the equation by 7. On the left side of the equation, dividing 7x by 7 simplifies to just x because 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and 1 times x is simply x. On the right side of the equation, we also need to divide by 7, so 21 divided by 7 equals 3. After performing this division, the equation simplifies to x equals 3. This is the final step in solving for x. Therefore, our solution is x equals 3. In summary, in step 2, we divided both sides of the equation by 7, changing 7x equals 21 to x equals 3, successfully isolating the variable x and finding its value. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.